Are you tired of being a customer support rep or a customer support representative, and now you want to upgrade your career? You want to become a cybersecurity GRC analyst. This is the video for you. I'm going to break things down for you so you understand the potential salary, what are your role, and what it consists of, and how you too can position yourself. Here's the thing, I always say happy salary, strengthen labor, and it's nothing like getting up every day, going to a job that you're happy about, because what? This is making you money, as well as you can change your lifestyle. Am I right about that? So let's break it down for you. I want to share with you how you can transition from customer support into cybersecurity and becoming a GRC analyst. Do me a favor, before I get into this video, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also to subscribe if you're brand new to this channel. Let's get right into it. Now, if you're watching this video, I'm assuming that you are a customer support representative, and I'm assuming that these would be your work activities, you know, whether it's to discuss goods and service information or problem solving, depending on your day-to-day tasks, right? Or responding to customers' problems or complaints. The work context is consist of, we know that's a telephone, contacting with others, whether it be indoor, outdoor, it just all depends. But I'm sure that it's very similar to what I'm saying at the moment. Now, the work style, we can see it's an independently position as a customer support, even though you may have teamwork, so to speak, during different type of projects, right? So I just wanted to touch base on that, just so we can, you know, remind you that how we're going to transition, right? And as you can see that the wages and employment trend, so if you're working as a customer support rep, you should be making anywhere from between 18 to about $20 or $22 an hour. But we just want to give the medium wage because that is what most organization or employers pay, so to speak. So let's get into it. Let's talk about how to transition into cybersecurity GRC analyst. And if you don't know what it means, GRC stands for governance, risk, compliance, and really and truly, being an analyst, it's really about assessing and prioritizing information for cybersecurity risks across organization. So it's really to, you know, facilitate the regulation, help with the risk mitigate for information security, and so on. As you can see that your daily work style, I mean, I'm not going to go over everything, but you can always pause this video and read it thoroughly so you get the understanding of it. But really and truly, working as a GRC analyst, you'd be collaborating through different departments and platforms using CRM systems, whether you're communicating with senior executive, you know, based on the risk when making strategic decision and so on. Also, you'll be able to implement processes, you know, when it comes down to governance, risk, compliance, there's certain protocols you have to test, you have to tweak, you have to monitor, and so on. Also, to ensure that all organization capability are working to the fullest extent. So it's all about protecting information, right? And if something, you know, doesn't seem right, we have to go through the auditing process where we have to make sure that companies are they met up to their expectation with proper documentation and so on. So as you can see, the 3 top soft skills that you need to have as a GRC analyst, you know, whether it comes down to analytic thinking, you can pause and read it. GRC analysts need to assess a complex situation, identify risk, and so on, and also attend to details, right? We have to be detailed when it comes down to explaining ourselves, the situation, the regulation, right? The policy, because remember, we are working with other businesses, so to speak. So we want to always mitigate the vulnerabilities. Also, communication is effectively, which we are already doing in customer service. I mean, if you've been working customer service for years, this is something you should be proficient at, right? When it comes on to problem solving. And remember, the GRC, the concept, the policy, it's not too technical, but you have to know how to communicate effectively. And it's including non-technical audience as well. So many people have question, right? Do you need a degree for GRC? And to be honest with you, no, you don't have to. But here's the thing, you need some sort of certification, right? So although there's no college degree requirement, you do need to have some background in cybersecurity, because that would be the foundation, when it comes down to cybersecurity, knowing about breach security, risk factors, authentication, and so on. So it's an easy transition if you're already in cybersecurity, to transition, because there's no strict requirement on certification or college degree. But I think it's always good to have a certification, because most time employers do not want to hire anyone that does not have a background when it comes down to cybersecurity. Now, I just want to share with you that the average the salary is 97, dependent honestly on the area. I mean, Florida paid different from Georgia, Texas, New York. As we know that New York is a very high demand, as well as it pays a lot. I mean, if you were to work or live in New York, you're probably going to get anywhere from 97,000 or maybe 100,000 depending. So you make anywhere between 47 to about $52 an hour. You just have to do your own research in the area that you want to work. So I just wanted to share that with you. I think I have a typo here, but let's discover how to easily transition from customer service background to a non-technical cybersecurity role. And I'm here to help you out, right? I'm here to help you grow to your full potential, get the training, the job application assistant. If you ever wanted to, go through the process to become hired, right? We have interview preparation and internship opportunity for your resume, and so on. So this is only for U.S. resident only. So if you're interested, I want to introduce to you a program, a company that can solely help you to get you through this process in as quickly as 1 year. The great news is you are not by yourself, and we're here to guide you. So if you're interested, go ahead and click the link here below. And thank you so much for being here. I'm hoping that you will take this information to change your situation from customer support representative to cybersecurity analyst. All right, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also to subscribe if you're brand new to this channel. Until then, we'll see you around. Thank you for watching and be blessed. Also, I do have a playlist here to provide for you of 108 videos. If you are ever interested and need help on how to make an effective decision, don't worry, I got you. Because here's the thing, I want to make sure you're able to make an effective decision as it relates to your future. Take care now. Bye.